Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to use RGB to mix colors. We learned that we can change the colors in RG through CSS by using this RGB syntax, where we put RGB, the level of red, the level of green, and the level of blue. And we could change it from 0 to 255 for what level we want. So for this exercise, we want to replace these colors with the ones corresponding with this. So for red text, we can just copy the red RGB and we paste it, and we should see it change colors. Now for orchid, we copy this, and we just do the same for the rest of them. And that's it. Thank you.